So this picture shows floor cleaners. Yeah, one of the ingredients of floor cleaner is ammonia, NH3. Ammonia is very irritant. Yeah, the properties of ammonia is irritant to our skin. Yeah, too much ammonia in floor cleaner can cause skin irritations. Thus, the amount of ammonia to be used must be just right. Yeah, how a chemist can determine or check the concentration of ammonia? Yeah, we can use the volumetric analysis. The volumetric analysis. So we will learn the subtopic 10.4 volumetric analysis. The learning outcomes at the end of the lesson, you should be able to process the result of volumetric experiments and perform stoichiometric calculations involving concentration of solutions. Before we continue about volumetric analysis, let's recall the concentration. Actually, there are two units of concentrations. The first unit is grams over dm cube. This is the first unit. Remember the simple triangle that shows calculation involving concentration, mass, and volume. C is concentration, M mass, and V for volume. The unit concentration is gram over dm cube, mass grams, and the volume is dm cube. And then the second unit of concentration, we can use mole over dm cube, but also known as the molar concentrations, involving C, N, and volume. In mole dm cube, we use mole over volume. What is the relationship between concentrations with the unit mole over dm cube and the concentration with the unit grams over dm cube? This is the equations, involving the concentration with different unit. When the questions ask the concentrations with the unit grams over dm cube, we can change these equations into these equations. When we want to know the concentration in gram over dm cube, so we can multiply this one, concentration with mole over dm cube times mr, the molar mass of solid. The unit is gram over mole. So this is the conversions, to convert grams over dm cube. What is actually volumetric analysis? Is analysis to find the concentration of unknown solutions. The concentration of unknown solutions. This is unknown solutions. How to know the concentration of unknown solutions? We use the another solutions. They're also known as the known solutions because we already know the concentration of the solutions. How to do it? By measure the volume that need to neutralize the reactions between the unknown solutions and known solutions. The method, we can call the method as titrations. We put the known solutions in burette, and then the unknown solution, we put it at the conical flask, using conical flask. And then we add some indicator. The function of indicator to detect the change of color after the reactions neutralize. So we can use the method of titration to calculate the concentration of unknown solutions. How about the calculations of titration or volumetric analysis? Let's go to the example 1. This is example 1. 40 centimeter cubes. Yeah, centimeter cubes, we know this is the volume, the unit of volume. But we can see it's not the standard unit of volume, so we need to change it into dm cube. Sulfuric acid. What is sulfuric acid? It's H2SO4. Neutralized, yeah, 20 centimeter cubes is also volume. We need to change it same as the sulfuric acid to dm cube. Mole over dm cube is the unit of concentration. Sodium hydroxide. Yeah, the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, this one. So it means the sodium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid, NaOH plus H2SO4. The product, yeah, is sodium sulfate plus water. This question asks, what is the concentration of sulfuric acid? She asks about the concentrations in the unit of gram over dm cube. To answer the questions, yeah, we have 4 steps. The first steps, yeah, we need to balance the equations first, and then find the total mole of sodium hydroxide. And then next, find the mole of sulfuric acid using mole ratio, and then find the concentration of sulfuric acid. Okay, let's go to the first step. Yeah, we need to check this equation balance or not. The fastest way to check these equations balance or not by calculate the total number of oxygens at the reactant and product. Yeah, how many oxygens here? Oxygens, yeah, the coefficient is 2. It means the 2 oxygen atoms. 4 oxygen atoms. 4 oxygen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. It means 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 2, 6 is equal. So the equations balance. So the balance equations, yeah, we just write the same equations. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 equals Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. The same. And then remember to calculate, yeah, the question asks the concentrations. Remember the simple triangle that shows calculation involving concentrations and also volume, because we have volume. This is the simple equations: concentrations, mole, and volume. Yeah, we need to know the concentrations. Yeah, we already have the volume, but we can solve this problem using these equations. Use only this equation because we don't have mole of sulfuric acid. So we need to find the mole of sulfuric acid using the mole ratio. By multiply it with mole of sodium hydroxide. Okay, go next the second step, mole of sodium hydroxide. Yeah. What is the equation to calculate mole of sodium hydroxide in AOH? Concentration times volume. Okay, correct. Very good, Charles. Concentration times volume. What is the concentration of NaOH? Sodium hydroxide. This is the concentration, right? 0.5 mole over dm cube. And then times the volume. But we need to change the unit into dm cube. What is the volume in dm cube? 20 centimeter cubes. Change it into dm cube. We have 20 centimeter cubes. Yeah. For 1 centimeter cubes, for 1 dm cube is equal with 1000 centimeter cube. So we can cancel cm cubes. The unit is dm cube. So it means 20 divided by 1000. So it means it's equal 0.002 dm cube. Then multiply 0.5 times 0.02. What is the answer?
0.1.
0.001. We can cancel, yeah, dm cube. So the unit is mole. And then find the mole of sulfuric acid using mole ratio. Mole H2SO4. Using the mole ratio. What is the mole ratio? H2SO4, we compare it with NaOH. There is no coefficient in front of H2SO4. It means 1, 2 coefficient in front of NaOH. So it means 1 over 2 times the mole of NaOH. Mole NaOH. So it means 1 over 2 times 0.01 mole. What is the answer? The total mole of sulfuric acid? 0.005 mole. And then go next to find the concentration of sulfuric acid. H2SO4. Yeah, in mole dm cube. We find it first. Yeah, because we use mole and volume. What is the mole of sulfuric acid? The equation is mole over volume, right? What is the mole of sulfuric acid? Yeah, this one. The mole of sulfuric acid. So it means 0.05 mole over, what is the volume of sulfuric acid? Yeah, we have 40 centimeter cubes. So it means 0.04 dm cube, because we divided 40, yeah, with 1000. So concentration of sulfuric acid in mole over dm cube. What is the answer? 0.0.
1.25, right?
Oh, I'm sorry, this is 0.005. Yeah, 0.005 over 0.125. Okay, good. The unit is mole over dm cube. But the question asks the concentration with the unit grams over dm cube. So we can use these equations. The concentration in grams over dm cube is equals the concentration in mole over dm cube multiplied by the mR. So is 0.125 mole over dm cube multiplied by the MR. What is the MR of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. What is the MR? We can calculate the MR. H1, sulfur is 32, oxygen is 16. 16 multiplied by 4 because we have 4 oxygens, we only have 1 sulfur and 2 hydrogens.
98.
Yes, 98. What is the unit? 98 grams. Remember, yeah? The unit of molar mass is gram over mole. So we can cancel mole and mole minus 1. So the unit is grams over dm cube. 0.125 times 98. What is the answer? What's the concentration?
12.25.
Yeah, 12. Very good. 12.25 gram over dm cube. Okay, understood? About calculating concentrations. Do you have any questions about calculating concentration? No? Okay, go next to the example 2. Yeah, if example 1, calculating concentrations. Yeah, example 2, we will calculate the volume. The volume. Yeah, what volume? So it's me the question, ask the volume. Yeah, in cm cube. Is mole over dm cube is concentration. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. React completely with solution containing, is mole. So it's N. Of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. The product of the reaction is sodium sulfate is NaSO4, Na2SO4, and water is H2O. Okay, so we need to know the volume. So actually there are 3 steps to solve this problem. Yeah, the first step, we need to write the balance equations. What is the equations? Sulfuric acids react completely with solution containing sodium hydroxide. That means sulfuric acid H2SO4 plus sodium hydroxide in NaOH is equal sodium sulfate in Na2SO4 plus water. Is the reactions already balanced? Let's check its balance or unbalanced. Yeah, the fastest way by calculating the oxygens. How many oxygen here? 4, 1, 4, 1. Yeah, but we can calculate sodium. 1 sodium and 2 sodium. It means unbalanced. So we can put the coefficient 2 in front of sodium hydroxide. It means 2. 2 sodium, right? And then how about hydrogens? Yeah, we have 2 hydrogen here. We have 2 hydrogen. It means 4. We only have 2 hydrogens at the product. So we can multiply the molecule of H2O with coefficient 2. So this is the balance equation. H2SO4 plus 2 NaOH equal Na2SO4 plus 2 H2O. And then the question asks the volume of sulfuric acid. Yeah, we need to know the volume of sulfuric acid. Yeah, remember the equation involving concentrations, mole and volume. Yeah, to calculate volume, what is the formula to calculate the volume? Is mole over concentration. Mole over concentration. We have the concentration, right? We have the concentration of sulfuric acid. But we don't have the mole. So we need to calculate the mole of sulfuric acid using the mole ratio. By multiply it with the mole of NaOH. Yeah, we have the mole of NaOH, right? This is the mole of NaOH. 0.0075. What is the mole of sulfuric acid? Using the mole ratio. What is the mole ratio? Sulfuric acid and NaOH. Put the coefficient of sulfuric acid on the top. Yeah, there is no coefficient, it means 1. So 1 over 2 times the mole of sodium hydroxide in AOH. So it means 1 over 2 times, what is the mole of NaOH? It's 0.0075 mole. Yeah, what is the mole of sulfuric acid?
0.00375.
37. And then next, find the volume. Yeah, what is the formula of volume? Volume is
Over concentration.
mole over concentration. Mole of sulfuric acid. Yeah, this is the mole of sulfuric acid. 0.00037 mole divided by the concentration. This is the concentration of sulfuric acid. 0.1 mole over dm cube. You can cancel mole, right? Mole and mole. So dm cube, dm minus will change into dm cube. What is the answer? The volume with the unit dm cube? 0.037. But the question asks the volume within centimeter cubes. How many? How centimeter cubes the volume of sulfuric acid? Yeah, because 1 dm cube is equal with 1000 centimeter cubes. So we can multiply with 0.0037 dm cube. We can cancel dm cube. So we multiply it. I'm sorry, this is only 1 0. 0.037 times 1000. What is the answer? The volume in centimeter cubes?
3.7.
Is 37 centimeter cubes. So this is the volume. Okay. Understood? About calculating the volume in volumetric analysis. No questions, kids? No? Okay, go next to the same. Yeah, the same question with different volume and concentration. Okay, may I ask Adam? Adam join our meeting or not? Alexander Chua? There's no Alexander? JC and
Yes,
Julian?
Miss.
Alexander.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, let's we identify the questions or the problem. 25 cm cubed. What is it, Alexander Chua?
Volume, Miss. The
Okay,
volume.
the volume. Yeah, the unit is cm cube. Yeah, we need to change it into dm cube or not?
Yes.
Yeah, because it's not the standard unit of volume. So we need to change it into dm cube. And then 0.2 mole over dm cube. What is it, Alexander?
The concentration, Miss. The concentration.
Okay, very good. Alexander, it's concentration. How about the units? No need to change, right? Sodium hydroxide. What is the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide?
NaOH.
Now, NaOH. Very good. And then neutralized by 22.7 centimeter cube. What is it? Concentration, mole or volume?
I think volume, Miss, because it has a cube.
Yeah, centimeter cubes. I need to change it into dm cube.
Yeah.
Hydrochloric acid. What is the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid?
It's the HC.
HCl. And then the product is NaCl, salt, and water. We ask the concentrations of hydrochloric acid in grams over dm cube. The same questions, right?
Yes.
With the example 1. Let's check the equations, Alexander. Is it balanced or unbalanced? Calculate Na, calculate oxygens, calculate hydrogens.
Yes, Miss, it's balanced.
Yeah, it's balanced. So here is the step, yeah. So just write NaOH plus HCl equals NaCl plus H2O. We want to know the concentrations in grams over dm cube, right? So this is the balance equation. And then next, Alexander Chua. Yeah, remember the equation involving concentration, mole, and volume. Yeah, we need to know the concentrations. So to calculate the concentrations, yeah, what is the formula of concentration, Alexander?
N per volume, Miss.
Yes, N over volume. Do we have mole of hydrochloric acid?
No, Miss.
We don't have the mole, so we need to find the mole of HCl. using the mole ratio. Yeah, by multiply it with the mole of NaOH, the another reactant. Yeah, let's find the mole of NaOH. How to calculate the mole of NaOH? Alexander Chua.
Concentration multiplied volume.
Concentration. What is the concentration NaOH? What is the concentration NaOH? This one, right?
The 0.100.
0 point?
200.
Yes, I'm 0.2
200.
mole over
Yeah, 2 more.
dm cube.
dm3.
And then times volume. What is the volume in NaOH? Change it into dm cube, Alexander. We have
0.5
25.
miss?
0 point? 0 point?
25 miss. 25.
25. We divide it by 100 or 1000.
0.25 miss. 0.25.
0.25. Okay. Is dm cube. Can cancel the m cube. What is the mole of NaOH?
0.005.
Yes, correct. 0.005 mole. And then find the mole NaHCl, hydrochloric acid, using the mole ratio. What is the mole ratio? Hydrochloric acid and NaOH. Alexander.
1/1.
1/1. So you need
Multiplied by
multiply the
0.005.
0.005 mole. It's same, right? Because coefficient same. So the mole of HCl same with the mole of NaOH. 0.005 mole. Okay, go next. The last step. Find the concentration HCl in mole over the m cube first, yeah, Alexander. What is the formula? Concentration?
Mole over volume, right, miss?
Yes, very
Yeah,
good.
N per V,
Mole
right?
over volume. And then what is the mole?
The
0.
0.005.
Yes, 0.005 mole. What is the volume of HCl? Which one?
Wait, miss. 0.027.
Yes, very good. 0.0227 dm cube.
dm cube.
So the concentration in mole over dm cube. What is the answer? Please calculate it.
Wait, miss. Counting first. 0.32, miss.
0.
22, miss. I mean 22.
Yes, 22. Correct. Very good. Mole, mole over dm cube. This is not the answer, right? Because the question
Yes,
asked,
miss. This is the answer. This is the
gram.
correct answer.
This is not the correct answer.
Uh,
The question asked gram over dm cube. So change it using this formula. The concentration HCl in grams over dm cube. Not finished. So, how to solve it, Alexander? Use different.
so, miss, 0.22 multiplied by
0.
MR, the molar.
Don't forget to write
MR.
the unit, yeah, Alexander.
Okay, miss. I won't forget.
What is the MR of HCl? H is 1. The AR of H 1. ARCl is 35.5. 0.5, H1.
So
What is the
it's
MR?
36.5, miss.
Yeah,
Right? Because we plus.
36.5. What is the unit of molar mass? Alexander,
Yes, miss.
remember the unit of molar mass?
Oh,
Ah,
gram.
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 Mm-mm.
No. Gram
Gram.
is gram. Gram.
Not only gram. Yeah, we
Gram
need
per
gram.
mole, miss.
Yeah, gram per mole. Very good.
Yeah. Because I got
Gram per
confused,
mole.
miss. Confused. Yeah.
And then we can cancel mole, right? And mole minus 1. So grams
Yes. So we correct.
over dm cube, the unit, right?
dm cube.
Correct.
Yes.
So what is the
So
answer?
it's 8.0.
8 is around 8.0 grams over
8.03, miss.
8.03. Okay, absolutely
Yes, miss.
correct.
Sorry,
Okay,
miss.
very
My
good.
calculator is a little laggy, miss. So I don't know. Yeah.
Very good, Alexander.
Thank you,
Chua.
miss.
You're welcome. Okay, understood. Then other students, do you have any questions about calculating concentration, calculating volume in volumetric analysis? No questions? Yeah, if no questions, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for your participation, the students, and see ya
Thank you too, miss.
next month. Yeah, see ya next month. Bye bye.
Bye, miss. Thank you, miss.
Bye,
Yeah.
miss. Bye bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Thank you, miss.
Welcome.